Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw and color Shadow the Hedgehog. Let's start drawing! I start with the nose of Shadow. I draw his mouth. Then I draw his eyes. Hey, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now I draw his spiky hair and his ears. I continue with his arms, his hands, and his chest. Like this. Don't forget his tail, his legs, and finally, I draw his cool shoes. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with pink for his mouth and ears. I use red for his eyes, his hair, his arms, and his shoes. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video! I continue with this yellow marker. Finally, I use black for all the other parts of the drawing. Very cool! Wow! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!